Hello student, I Dr. Ati Patil, Head Department of Zoology, Vasantram Naik, Arts, Science and Commerce College, Shada. Dear friends of the class of the FIBSC students, we already discussed unit number 6. The name of this unit is the use. In this units, we already discussed about the general characteristic features of the class use and general discussion about the different kinds of the orders which are included in the class use. Dear friends, in this topic or unit number 6, that is use or birds, in these units we already discussed about the 2 lectures. Today's is the 3rd lecture of these units, and in this 3rd lecture of this topic we already discussed the specific properties or specific characteristic features of this animal group, that is aerial or flight adaptation is the most important topics. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, वैयक्तिक आपण जे युनिट नंबर 6 जुलॉजी पेपर सेकंड जू 102 एनिमल डायव्हर्सिटी सेकंड या कोर्स मध्ये स्टडी करत आहात. या युनिटचे ऑलरेडी 2 लेक्चर्स और आपण ऑलरेडी YouTube वरती बघितलेले आहेत. त्या युनिट मधला हा तिसरा लेक्चर आहे आणि त्या 3rd लेक्चर मध्ये आपण स्पेसिफिक क्लास यूज याचे जे कॅरेक्टरिस्टिक फीचर्स आहे ते म्हणजे एरियल और फ्लाइट अडॅप्टेशन. सो डिअर फ्रेंड्स, सर्व विद्यार्थी मित्रांना अगोदर हे माहिती पाहिजे की व्हॉट इज मीन अडॅप्टेशन. सर्व विद्यार्थ्यांना आपल्याला ऑलरेडी आपण बघितलं असेल 11th स्टँडर्डला बायोलॉजी फर्स्ट मध्ये आपण ऑलरेडी अडॅप्टेशन नावाचे युनिट चॅप्टर आपण स्टडी केलेला आहे. अडॅप्टेशन इन मराठी इट इज कॉल्ड अनुकूलता, अनुकूलन. पर्टिक्युलर टाईपच्या एन्व्हायरमेंटला प्रत्येक प्राणी ह्या जीवनामध्ये आल्यानंतर तो कशा पद्धतीने त्या परिस्थितीला ऍडजस्ट करून जगून घेतो किंवा जगण्याची इच्छा तो ठेवतो, अशा प्रकारची ऍक्टिव्हिटी प्रत्येक ॲनिमलच्या बॉडीमध्ये असते, त्याला अडॅप्टेशन म्हणतात. इज ऍक्टिंग और प्रोसेसेस फॉर अडॅप्टिंग बी. विशिष्ट प्रकारच्या एन्व्हायरमेंटला त्या ठिकाणी आपले जीवन जगण्याकरता कशा प्रकारच्या शरीरामध्ये आपण मॉडिफाय करून चेंजेस करून त्या परिस्थितीला तोंड देऊन कसं जगता येईल अशा प्रकारची ऍक्टिव्हिटी प्रत्येक सजीव प्राण्यामध्ये असते, त्याला अडॅप्टेशन म्हणतात. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, तर अडॅप्टेशनचे वेगवेगळे प्रकार आहेत. वेगवेगळे प्राणी त्यांच्या बॉडीला अनुसरून किंवा त्यांना कुठल्याही एन्व्हायरमेंटमध्ये राहायचे, पर्यावरणामध्ये राहायचे, त्यांना अनुसरून ते आपल्या शरीरामध्ये तशा प्रकारचे अडॅप्टिव्ह ऑर्गन्स किंवा अडॅप्टिव्ह पार्ट्स तयार करून त्या परिस्थितीला जीवन जगत असतात. मग अशा प्रकारचं इन केस ऑफ दिस युनिट्स दॅट इज इन बर्ड्स ॲज अ स्पेसिफिक और मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टंट adaptations are developed. It is called aerial or flight adaptation. We already know flight हा शब्द आपण ऐकलेला सर्वांनी की we also mostly to use in case of the aeroplane. एखाद्या विमानतळावरती गेल्यानंतर आपण जसं कुठल्या तरी स्टँड किंवा बस स्टँडला गेल्यानंतर ही बस किती वाजता आहे, कुठे गेलो आपण, तसं त्या प्रकारचं फ्लाइट at the time of the particular meanings which are used as the in your विमानतळावरती त्या ठिकाणी शब्द वापरला जातो की अमुक फ्लाइट किती वाजता आहे. अशा प्रकारची ऍक्टिव्हिटी जी आहे फ्लाइट अडॅप्टेशन. एरियल अडॅप्टेशन और फ्लाइट अडॅप्टेशन अलाउज द युजर्स टू withstand extreme wind pressure, so one isn't disoriented or deprived of normal breathing capacity by them. Along with immunity to vertigo, this ability is innate for flyers, so it is counted along with flight as the ability. Young, the scientist 1958 described birds as the masters of air. It is also called the masters of air. Means the masters of air का म्हटलं गेलंय कारण एअर मोडला अडॅप्ट करण्याची ऍक्टिव्हिटी त्यांच्यामध्ये. द एंटायर बॉडीज ऑफ बर्ड्स हॅव बीन मॉडिफाईड फॉर फ्लाईट. पूर्ण शरीराची अरेंजमेंट त्यांची त्या प्रकारच्या फ्लाईट अडॅप्टेशनला अडॅप्ट होण्याकरता मॉडिफाय झालेली असते. बर्ड्स आर फास्टेस्ट ऑफ द ऑल एनिमल्स. इतर प्राण्यांपेक्षा जोरात फ्लाय करणारे, फ्लाइंग करणारे अशा प्रकारची ऍक्टिव्हिटी बर्ड्स मध्ये असते ऍज कम्पेअर टू अनदर एनिमल्स. इन फॅक्ट अ बर्ड इज लाईक अ फ्लाइंग मशीन. म्हणून बऱ्याच वेळेस त्याला पक्ष्यांना फ्लाइंग मशीन म्हणून देखील त्याचे संबोधन आपण करत असतो. नेक्स्ट, dear friends, it flies on the principle of an aeroplane, a heavier than air machine. The morphology, anatomy, physiology, and embryology of birds are highly modified for flight. The bird shows following flight adaptation. अशा प्रकारचे जर आपण बघितलं की या सर्व याच्यामध्ये कुठल्या प्रकारची ऍक्टिव्हिटी त्या पक्ष्यांमध्ये फ्लाइट अडॅप्टेशन तयार झालेली ती आपण त्या ठिकाणी बघू शकतो. सो ऑल काइंड्स ऑफ द इव्हिडन्स पक्ष्यांमध्ये त्यांच्या जर मॉर्फॉलॉजिकली शरीराच्या आकारमानानुसार, एनाटॉमी शरीराच्या आत असणारे वेगवेगळे सिस्टीम्स, फिजिओलॉजी ते वेगवेगळ्या सिस्टीमची ऍक्टिव्हिटी कशी होत असते, आणि एम्ब्रोलॉजी त्याची लाईफ सायकल डेव्हलपमेंट होताना कुठल्या कुठल्या प्रकारची ऍक्टिव्हिटी त्याच्यामध्ये चेंजिंग होते. अशा प्रकारचे हा 1 to 4 एक जोड मॉर्फॉलॉजिकल, एनाटॉमी, फिजिओलॉजी, एम्ब्रोलॉजिकल ऑल काइंड्स ऑफ व्ह्यूने त्यांच्यामध्ये मॉडिफाय झाले असतात. असे कुठले कुठले अडॅप्टेशन पक्ष्यांमध्ये अडॅप्ट केलेले असतात किंवा फ्लाईट करण्याकरता कामाला येतात, मदतीला येतात, ते आपल्याला याच्यात बघायचे. Over the eons, birds have evolved not only wings but many other adaptations that help them to fly. Birds have a strong but a lightweight framework of bones. This is achieved by the fusion and elimination of some bones while allowing the remaining. Some bones of the pelvic girdle and vertebrae are fused together. There are two adaptation in the birds. बर्ड्स किंवा पक्ष्यांचे अरेंजमेंट जर बघितलं आपण त्याच्यामध्ये फक्त पक्ष्यांना फ्लाइंग करण्याकरता विंग्स आहेत एवढंच महत्वाचं नाही, त्याच्यामध्ये त्याच्या बॉडीमध्ये असणारे वेगळ्या प्रकारचे जे बोन्स वगैरे ते सर्व लाईट वेटचे फ्रेमवर्कने तयार केले गेले आहेत. कारण बोन्स आर द हेवी वेट, बट इन केस ऑफ द बर्ड्स द बोन्स आर द स्पॉन्जी लाईक ॲज अ पेसिफिक बोन्स. इट इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज अ न्यूमॅटिक टाइप ऑफ द बोन्स. अशा वेगळ्या पद्धतीच्या लाईट बोनने तयार झाले असल्यामुळे हवेमध्ये फ्लाईट अडॅप्टेशन करताना उडताना पक्ष्यांना त्याच्या वजनाची अडचण होत नाही. सम बोन्स त्याच्यामध्ये आपण विचार केला पेल्विक गर्डल असेल, वर्टिब्रे असेल, हे एकत्रित फ्यूज झालेले आहेत आणि त्यामुळे त्यांच्यामध्ये अशा प्रकारचे फ्लाईट अडॅप्टेशन मॉडिफाय झाले आहेत. हे दोन प्रकारचे, एक म्हणजे त्या ठिकाणी मॉर्फॉलॉजिकल अडॅप्टेशन आणि सेकंड इज anatomical adaptation. So in this point of view, the aerial or flight adaptation point of view, in birds there are the few more adaptations which are takes place, that is 17 in your chapters, that is in your books of the FIBSC. We discuss the 17 points of the aerial or flight adaptation as compared to the few more adaptation as a morphological and few more adaptations are the anatomical. So in a simple way, that is the 17 adaptation. First is the body shape and structure. Second is the feather. Body shape and structure in the detail already discussed in the next slides. The shape, body shape and structure मध्ये आपण बघितलं तर पक्ष्यांच्या शरीराचा आकार हा विशिष्ट पद्धतीने त्याला शेप आहे, स्ट्रक्चर आहे. त्याला बऱ्याच टायमाला आपण स्ट्रीमलाईन बॉडी म्हणतो, बोट शेपला म्हणतो, की जेणेकरून आकाशामध्ये एअरमध्ये फ्लाइंग करताना जी एअरची आहे ती लिस्ट रेजिस्टंट व्हायला पाहिजे म्हणून त्याच्या बॉडी शेप तसा असतो. Also acts as a streamlined body, it is called as a aeroplane like structure. Next, feather. पूर्ण पक्ष्यांच्या बॉडीवरती पूर्ण फिदर, पंख असतात, पर असतात, त्या ठिकाणी त्याच्यावरती फिदर लाईक स्ट्रक्चर टाइपिंग असतात. विंग्स, द बर्ड्स आर 4 wings and hind wing. 4 wings are the modified into the wings and wings are the hind limbs. Next is the tail. Tail is the most important organs, also acts as a radar. Beak, 5 beaks. Beak are also mostly modified in the birds as a specific structure for the food feeding mechanism. Many of the according to the beaks or according to the pool feeding mechanism, each and every birds are modification of the beaks are takes place. That is many more type of the birds are the beaks are the fruit eating beaks, seed eating beaks, also as a frugivorous, also as a fish catching beaks. All kinds of the modification of beaks are takes place. Next is a flexible neck and head. In many more times in the birds, the necks are completely flexible for the many more time as a 180 degree. बऱ्याच टायमाला काही काही पक्ष्यांची मान ही पूर्ण अशी 180 डिग्री देखील त्या ठिकाणी फिरू शकते. नेक आणि हेड. Skin also is the most important for the BG. Flight muscles are developed. Loss of light त्यांच्या बॉडीमध्ये त्यांना त्या ठिकाणी फ्लेक्झिबल हेड वगैरे त्या ठिकाणी फ्लाइट मसल्स sorry loss of weight. So in this we also get by the weight. So loss of weight means the body is also weight is the less. Next is the air sacs in your body are completely developed for the low weight. Warm bloodedness. The body temperature of the birds are the constant. It is not changed according to the environment. Efficient circulatory system. Circulatory system is a powerful and also as a efficient to consisting by the circulatory system is a well for modification. Also the digestive system, excretory system, vision, endoskeleton and perching. So all kinds of the adaptation as well as morphological or anatomical detailed study in the next slides. That is this also the first. It is a avian fauna as described as the master of air by young whale adapted for life in the air. Internal as well as external is modified by the aerial life. That is especially आपल्याला दिसते पक्ष्यांची modification. Morphological volant adaptation, it is also called the aerial adaptation. So in morphological point of view, that is a 1 to 8 also as this is a morphological point of view in birds. That is first is the this is we already detail discuss in the next slides. First is the compact body. Second is the body covering by of feathers, forelimbs modified into wings, short tails, beak, mobile neck and head, bipedal locomotion and improvements. So these all kinds of the morphological point of the adaptation are detailed discussed in the next slides. Dear friends, we have first known about what is mean morphological adaptation. Morphological adaptation कोणाला म्हणायचं आपण बऱ्याच टायमाला म्हटलं गेलं की मॉर्फोलॉजिकल कॅरेक्टर्स आणि अनाटॉमिकल कॅरेक्टर. मॉर्फोलॉजिकल कॅरेक्टर्स आर दोज असे कॅरेक्टर की जे त्या ॲनिमलच्या बॉडीला आपल्याला बाह्य गुणधर्माने बाहेरून दिसणारे कॅरेक्टर्स जे काही अडॅप्टेशन असतील ते कशा पद्धतीने मॉडिफाय अडॅप्ट झालेले त्यांना आपण मॉर्फोलॉजिकल म्हणतो. आणि नेक्स्ट इन इंटरनल बॉडी different kinds of the modification the systems or parts are takes place and used for your aerial as well as flight. This type of the adaptation is called as the anatomical adaptation. In morphological point of view, dear friend, first is the body contour. Means each and every animal bird's body is also as a spindle shaped. Contour body chart is a spindle shaped body to offers less air resistance during flight. This helps the birds to conjure energy and become more efficient at flying. पक्ष्यांना आकाशामध्ये उडण्याकरता एअर मोडचा रेजिस्टंट फोर्स कमी व्हायला पाहिजे त्याकरता बॉडी सेप स्ट्रीमलाईन असते. स्ट्रीमलाईनचा अर्थ आहे स्पिंडल सेपचा अर्थ असा आहे की अँटीरियर एंड इज नॅरो, मिडल पार्ट इज ब्रॉड, ऑल्सो posterior part will be narrow. So it is called as a spindle shape or streamline body. Next, त्याच्यामध्ये compact body. The body of the bird is compact, dorsally strong and ventrally heavy to maintain equilibrium in the air. Their wings are attached to the thorax. The light organs like lungs and sacs are positioned high. The heavy muscles placed centrally are other features that help in flight. So the compact body shape is most important for the birds to adapt the aerial mode of life is easily for the specific position to high flights. Next, so this is a compact body. We have the body shape is also this anterior end of the body is narrow, in middle is a broad, also tail is narrow. So this body also compact and also streamlined body. This body helps to maintain the balance in the air. Wings high on the thorax, lungs air sacs low position, heavy muscle sternum, diastole organ central in position. So this is the most important characteristic feature of the compact body. Body covered with feathers is the most important uh, second morphological adaptation in this animal body. The feathers are smooth, directed backward and closely lifting, which make the body streamlined and reduce friction during the flight. It lightens the body weight and protects it from the effect of environmental temperature. They also have a wide surface area for striking the air. बॉडी पूर्ण पक्ष्यांची फिदरने कव्हर केली असते. फिदरमुळे त्या ॲनिमलांना पूर्ण स्पेसिफिक कॅरेक्टरिस्टिक फीचर होऊन त्याला वेगळ्या प्रकारचे फंक्शनिंग किंवा ते फिदर्स परफॉर्म फॉलोइंग फंक्शन्स. द फिदर्स कव्हरिंग द बॉडी रिड्यूस फ्रिक्शन. पूर्ण बॉडीवरती पंख असल्या पंख किंवा फिदर्स असल्यामुळे फ्रिक्शन रिड्यूस होतं. द फिदर्स आर लाईट, दे रिड्यूस वेट. फिदरांमुळे त्या पक्ष्यांची बॉडी लाईट होते. द फिदर्स इन्सुलेट द बॉडी टू प्रिव्हेंट द लॉस ऑफ बॉडी हीट. शरीरातले हीट लॉस करण्याकरता फिदर्स कामाला येऊ शकतात. द बॉडी फिदर्स होल्ड अ ब्लँकेट ऑफ एअर अराउंड द बॉडी अँड इट्स हेल्प इन बुओयन्सी. त्याची स्वतःची एक ब्लँकेट कव्हरिंग सारखं कामाला येतं आणि त्या ॲनिमलची बुओयन्सी मेंटेन केली जाते. द विंग फिदर्स हेल्प इन स्ट्रायकिंग द एअर अँड टेल फिदर्स आर युज्ड फॉर लिफ्टिंग द स्टर्लिंग. म्हणजे त्याच्या बॉडीवरती विंग फिदर असल्यामुळे तो फ्लाइट आकाशात स्ट्राईक किंवा झेप घेऊ शकतो आणि टेल फिदरमुळे त्याला लिफ्टिंग, कुठल्या दिशेला कुठल्या बाजूला जायचंय त्याला दिशा डायरेक्शन चेंजला शेपटी किंवा टेल त्याला मदत होऊ शकते. अशा प्रकारचे वेगळ्या प्रकारचे फिदर्स त्याच्या बॉडीवरती कव्हर केलेले आहेत. फिदर्स ऍट द बॉडी बुओयन्सी वी ऑलरेडी डिस्कस द also insulates the body to prevent any loss of the heat. We already discussed. Next second point त्याच्यामधलं जे morphological adaptation मध्ये body covering of the feather we already discussed. Whole body are covered by the feather. Different kinds of feathers. We have the structure of typical flight feathers. Remix we already discussed the all kinds of this feather. This is a typical feathers on the tail. So used as a most important in the body as a large squill feather of the wing are tail usual for flight. Tail with spreading of the feather, starting steering organ also acts as a change in the direction to use by the typical feather for the flight. Next is the forelimbs. It is modified into the wings. In case of the birds, that is a forelimb and hind limb. Forelimbs are modified into the wings, the hind limbs are modified into the legs. So in forelimbs are modified to wings into wings, which is the only organ of flight. This consists of a framework of bones, muscle, nerves, feathers, and blood vessel. The wings have a large surface area. They also support the bird in the air. The wings have a thick, strong leading edge with a concave lower surface and a convex upper surface. This helps in increasing air pressure below and reducing the air above the. Thus, the bird can be fly upward and downward during the flights as a specific modification of the forelimbs are used to form by the wings, and wings are the most important role in the flying. Dear friends, विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, विंगच्या बरोबरने त्या ठिकाणी आपण बघितलं की फोरलिम्स मॉडिफिकेशन विंग मध्ये कसं झालेलं आहे त्या ठिकाणी आम्हाला दिसते. Remiges or typical wings are modified unique and powerful organs as the wings. These organs consist of the framework of bones, muscles, etc. Surface area of the wings are increased by development of elongated flight feathers reminisces. Flight feather forms broad surface, shape of wing, thick, strong wing, concave and convex and concave. Lower surface reduce the air pressures. So this next is the tail. Our tail is short tail. The tail bears long feathers that spread like a fan and functions as a radar during the flight. Radar is nothing but also specific instruments to also acts as मराठी आपण होका यंत्र म्हणतो की समुद्रामध्ये आकाशामध्ये आपल्याला दिशा दिसत नाही त्या ठिकाणी एक प्रकारचं डायरेक्शन करण्याकरता किंवा also acts as a वर बऱ्याच टायमाला पाण्यामध्ये जेव्हा बोट वगैरे चालत असते तर त्या एका साईडला वळवणे आपण त्याला म्हणतो वर also acts as a radar to only change the direction of the boat as same in case of the birds. जसं नावाडी ह्या नावावरती बसला पाण्यामध्ये की त्याच्या एका साईडला ते एक लाकडी दंडा धरून बसलेला असतो त्याला also acts as a वर म्हणतो आपण वळवणे म्हणतो. तशाच प्रकारची शेपटी पक्ष्यांमध्ये कुठल्या दिशेला पक्षाला ऐन टायमाला चेंज करायचंय त्या पद्धतीने त्याला दिशादर्शक किंवा दिशा चेंज करण्याकरता ही टेल कामाला येऊ शकते. तिचा रोल खूप महत्त्वाचा त्या ठिकाणी असतो. This is a tail bears a series of long, strong but light feathers of rectrices arranged in a fan-like manner. Serves as a radar for steering during flight. Helps in counterbalance in perching. एखाद्या वेळेस जमीन आकाशात गेल्यानंतर जमिनीवर तात्काळ यायचंय बॅलन्सिंग मेंटेन करण्याचा शेपटीचा उपयोग त्यांना होत असतो. Next is a beak. Is the most important parts in the birds. That is the conversion of forelimbs to wings is compensated by presence of bill or beak. Mouth is drawn into horny beak used as forceps in picking up things. Also used to build nest, which in other animals is done by forelimbs. So the jaws are draws out into horny beaks. The head compensates for the modification of forelimbs into wings. It also used picking up food. It is nest building for pruning and for offense and defense. Beaks are most important for the birds to any kinds of the enemy to fight and get by the offense and defense. So it is most important to beaks according to the food feeding habits. प्रत्येक पक्षाला त्याला कुठल्या प्रकारचं अन्न कुठल्या प्रकारचं फूड त्याला खायचंय त्याला अनुसरून त्याची जी बीक आहे ती मॉडिफाय झाली असते. Also as a best example in parrots, fruit eating beaks. In case of the aquatic birds, filter feeder beaks. In many more kites, also as a flesh eating in crow. In kites as a strong beak for holding the enemy. अशा प्रकारच्या प्रत्येक पक्ष्यांमध्ये घार पक्षी असेल सिक्रा पक्षी असेल क्रो असेल किंगफिशर असेल यांच्यामध्ये वेगळ्या प्रकारची ऍक्टिव्हिटी वेगळ्या प्रकारचे फूड त्याला कॅचअप किंवा पर्चिंग करायचं पिंचअप करायचं असतं त्याला अनुसरून त्यांची बीक ही मॉडिफाय झालेली असते. सो दिस इज अ मेनी मोर काइंड्स ऑफ द बर्ड्स. दिस ऑल्सो इटिंग त्या तोंडामध्ये घरटी तयार करण्याकरता गवत वगैरे देणे आपल्या तोंडात घेतलेले पर्चिंग फूड्स. दिस ऑल्सो पर्टिक्युलर द फूड्स इन युअर बिग्स टू युअर यंग वन्स. अशा पद्धतीने बिग्स मॉडिफाईड झालेले आहेत. नेक्स्ट इज द flexible neck or head किंवा mobile neck and head. In case of the birds have a long and flexible neck which helps in the movement of the head, important for various functions. They possesses a horny beak which helps them to pick the grains and insect while feeding. पक्ष्यांना कुठल्या प्रकारचं फूड मटेरियल त्याला उचलायचे त्याला अनुसरून कॅचअप करायचे त्याला अनुसरून त्या ठिकाणी त्यांच्यामध्ये ते मॉडिफाय झालेलं असतं वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारचे. आणि नेक त्याची मोबाईल म्हटलं गेलंय कारण ऑल्सो ऍक्ट्स ॲज अ फ्लेक्झिबल टू बॉडी ऍक्सिस. द फ्लेक्झिबल नेक अलाउज फ्री मूवमेंट ऑफ हेड विच हेल्प्स द बीक इन परफॉर्मिंग इट्स फंक्शन इझिली. अशा प्रकारची नेक ही फ्लेक्झिबल आणि मुव्हेबल असल्यामुळे त्याला त्यांच्या पद्धतीने फंक्शन मेंटेन करता येतं. This is mobile neck and head. Neck is long or flexible. Bird's bill is used for feeding, purring, nest building, offense and defense. Mobility of the neck and freedom or movement of the head is very important. So this is a wool. गुगल पूर्ण त्याची मान ही 180 या डिग्रीने पूर्ण ते आपलं नेक मुवमेंट करू शकतो आणि एनिमी किंवा भक्ष्य पकडण्याकरता त्या प्रकारची ऍक्टिव्हिटी ही कामाला येते. नेक्स्ट आपण म्हटलं स्किन. नेक्स्ट इज अ स्किनच्या माध्यमातून स्किन इज अ क्वाइट लॉस to allow the free movement of the flight muscle. Flight muscle is most important for to next, that is a bipedal locomotion. The anterior part of the body of a bird helps in taking off during flight. The anterior part of the body also helps birds to land, and hind limbs help in the locomotion on land. They can support the entire body weight of a bird. It is a two bi means two bipedal locomotion. The forelegs are modified into the wings and limbs in the legs or limbs. So this is a bipedal locomotion is most important. Dear friends, this is a bipedal locomotion we see in the swan, also as ostrich, and limbs occupy anterior position on the trunk or the arboreal life. Muscles are well developed and suited for perching. When birds sit on the branch to close automatically, a bird can go to sleep in this position weight of the body, fear of the failing. We have the bipedal locomotion. Next is the integument, that is the skin. Skin आपण already बघितलं, losses skin modified for flight, loses skin is modified for flight. It is responsible for extensive movement of skeletal musculature. Is most specifically to skin is quite loose. It allows free movement of flight muscle. Flight muscle ची movement सहज होण्याकरता skin तशा पद्धतीची असते. Next, so this is we discuss the morphological adaptation. Few more are the anatomical adaptation. In anatomical adaptation, we discuss about specifically as a, that is the anatomical adaptation. We have internally body different kind of the systems also as a arrangement according to the flight. First is the flight muscle. We name of the muscle is a flight, means according to the aerial mode of flight or flight adaptation, the flight muscle is most important to give the energy to fly the birds easily in the air. The flight muscle point of view, the well developed muscles control the action of the flight muscle. It weighs about 1/6 of the entire bird. The flight muscles are striated. The muscles on the wings are large. Other muscles help the above muscles in functioning. We also seen in diagrams as the different kind of the muscles in the body to use for the flight. Light and rigid endoskeleton. In the internal point of view, body or a skeleton, the exoskeleton is the outer side of the body, endoskeleton is present in the inner side of the body. Endoskeleton is also called as a bone. The birds have a very stout and light skeleton. The bones are hollow, filled with air sacs. They are provided with a secondary plastering to increase their rigidity. The bones are fused and lack bone marrow. The bird lack teeth. The thoracic vertebrae are fused except for the last one. This plays an important or essential role in the action of Sterling entered by the air wings. So this is a endoskeleton of the birds are the light. Also the bones are made by the, in specific of the bones, it is called the pneumatic bones. पक्ष्यांचे बोन हे बोन जरी असले तर लाईट वेटेड असतात. त्यांच्या बोन्स ह्या न्यूमॅटिक टाईपच्या बोनने बनलेले असल्यामुळे बोनचे तेवढं हेवी किंवा जास्त वजन राहत नाही. ते लाईट असल्यामुळे त्यांना सहज आकाशात किंवा फ्लाईट मोडला एअर मोडला सहज त्यांना फ्लाइंग करता येते. So this is anatomical volant adaptation point of view, that is a large muscles of flight, perching, feet, endoskeleton, digestive system, air sacs and respiration, warm bloodedness, circulatory system, excretory system, brain and sense organs, reproductive system and endocrine system. So this is the 1 to 11s are the anatomical aerial or voluntary adaptation. Out of this, first is the large muscles of flight. Flight means for the aerial mode of flight, विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो प्रत्येक पक्षाला आकाशात उडण्याकरता the control of the action of wings muscles of back is reduced in the form of the pectoralis major and pectoralis minor. So this is a specific of the muscles in the muscle systems to use as important for the flying movement of this animal body. That is also as a coracobrachydactyls. Pectoralis major, largest muscle arises from sternum and clavicle instead of head of the humerus. Contraction of the muscles causes downward stroke of the wings but moves up. Pectoralis minor, thinner than major, longer contraction of this muscle causes upward stroke of the wings. So this is a specific of the muscles are most important for the flights. So this is the arrangement of these muscles as a joining to the structure of the bones. That is perching means that is when a bird sights on the branch of tree. पक्षी हा फ्लाइट मोडला एरियल मोडला उडत असताना अचानक जाऊन एखाद्या ट्री वरती वृक्षावरती बसल्यानंतर फांदीला पकडण्याकरता त्याचे जे फिट्स आहे बर्ड्सचे वी आर पर्चिंग फिट्स मीन द 3 digits for the anterior sides and one is the forward side. So this is the specific arrangement of the hallux to climbing the branch of the tree. So this type of the fits which are also called the perching fits, and these fits are most important for the climbers to the hold the branch of the tree. When a bird sights on the branch of the tree, its toes warp around the twig, the फांदीला पकडण्याकरता. This is the known as a perching. The muscles are so well developed that bird can sleep in that position without falling. अशा पद्धतीने झाडाच्या फांदीला त्या पक्ष्यांनी त्या पर्चिंग फिटच्या सहाय्याने कॅच केल्यानं पकडल्यानंतर तो तिथल्या तिथे झोप देखील देऊ शकतो. त्याला पडण्याची भीती राहत नाही. अशा प्रकारचे पर्चिंग फिट्स पक्ष्यांना त्या ठिकाणी त्या फांदीला पकडून तिथल्या तिथं पर्चिंग करून त्याला झोप घेता येते किंवा स्लीपिंग करू शकतो. अशा प्रकारची पोझिशन ते पर्चिंग फिट त्याला कामाला येतात. सो दिस इज पर्चिंग फिट्स इन द बर्ड्स ऑल्सो होल्डिंग द any kinds of the objectives. So this is a birds are also arranging the sitting to tree branch as well as any kinds of the electric pole wires also arrangement of the perching fits. Next is the endoskeleton. I already discussed about the loss of weight. त्या ठिकाणी आपण बघितलंच की पक्ष्यांचा लॉस वेट का कमी असतो कारण त्याचे एंडोस्केलेटन अशा प्रकारचे मॉडिफाय झालेले आहेत. म्हणजे म्हटलं स्केलेटल framework is stout. पक्ष्यांची तशी असते. Bones are pneumatic, filled with the air spaces, spongy. असे स्पॉन्जी बोन असतं, लाईट बोन असतं, ज्या ठिकाणी त्याचं वजन आपल्याला तेवढं त्याला उडताना होणार नाही. टीथ आर लॅकिंग, पक्ष्यांना टीथ नसतोच. रिप्लेस्ड बाय मच लाइटर बिग vertebrae except at the neck region is fused. Rigidity of dorsal part due to fusion of vertebrae. Heterocylous vertebrae provided great flexibility and birds can freely move their neck. Caudal vertebrae formation of pygostyle by the fused to by more tail vertebrae for the important role as the endoskeleton to lightweight of the body. Presence of the single occipital condyle head can turn freely from side to side. Sternum with well developed keel serves for the attachment of flight muscles. Clavicle fused to form V-shaped furcula acts as a spring and keeps the wings well apart. So these are occipital condyle arrangement for the in the V-shaped structure, particularly as a flight adaptation. So this is a skeleton of the birds are arranged in different form. That is also the system to skull diagram is dependent on flight adaptation. This is skull, nares, upper jaw, lower jaw, orbit, cervical vertebrae, cervical, sternum, ribs, dorsal vertebral, pyrodactyl, elum, ribs, digits. So all kinds of the bones also seen in the bird's body. That is, next is the digestive system. As a flight or adaptation point of view, the anatomically, the birds have a very high rate of metabolism. Therefore, food digests rapidly. The length of the rectum is reduced because of the minimum undigested waste. They have no gall bladder which reduces the weight of the birds. पक्ष्यांचं वजन जेणेकरून लाईट व्हायला पाहिजे, कमी व्हायला पाहिजे त्याकरता बहुतांशी मॉर्फॉलॉजिकल ॲज वेल ॲज ॲनाटॉमिकल त्या ॲनिमलच्या बॉडीमध्ये वेगळ्या प्रकारचे ऑर्गन्स हे वीक कमी त्यांचे फंक्शनिंग वेगळ्या पद्धतीने डेव्हलप झालं असतं. त्याला जर आपण इरेल ॲडॅप्टेशन किंवा फ्लड ॲडॅप्टेशन म्हणतो. त्याच्यातलंच एक आहे की डायो सिस्टीम या पक्ष्यांची the length of the rectum is reduced and is a powerful system to has a high rate of metabolism. Next, this is the digestive system. Rate of metabolism is high. Food requirements great rapid digestion. Selected food has a high calorific value, largely utilized minimum indigestible waste. Digestive system is a compact and effective. Rapid elimination of undigested food. Short rectum never stores undigested food. So this is a specific adaptation in the digestive system. So this animal digestive system is formed by the simple way. Next is the respiratory system. The respiratory system of the birds is designed in such a manner that the food is oxidized rapidly and a large amount of energy is liberated. Since the metabolism rate is higher, a large number of oxygen molecules are required by the body. For this, the lungs are provided which occupy the entire space between the internal organs. So the respiratory system is most important in the animal body to alveoli as well as spongy alveoli is present in the respiratory system of the air sacs. Inelastic lungs supplemented by remarkable system of the air sacs. Air sacs perfect aeration of lungs helps in internal perspiration, thus regulate body temperature. Avian lungs are completely emitted with each breath, which flying movement of wings contribute to respiration, comprising and dilating the air sacs. Hence, birds breathe more easily during flight than at the other times. अशा पद्धतीने एअर सॅक्स किंवा रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टीम त्याचे वेल डेव्हलप असल्यामुळे त्याला फ्लाइंग करताना देखील इझिली ब्रीथ करता येतं. So this is a lungs trachea, anterior air sacs, posterior air sacs. Yeah, so here lung tubes of the lungs are most important for the modification adaptation. Warm-blooded. The temperature of the body of the birds remains high and does not change with the change in the environment. This facilitates the birds to fly at very high altitudes. Warm-blooded चा अर्थ असा आहे की त्या पक्ष्यांचं किंवा त्या ऑर्गॅनिझमचं बॉडी टेम्परेचर एक कॉन्स्टंट असतं. ते एन्व्हायरमेंट नुसार बदल होत नाही. ते वातावरणानुसार किंवा पर्यावरणानुसार कोणामध्ये बदलतं अकॉर्डिंग टू दी cold blooded animals groups. Dear friends, next is the circulatory system. In circulatory system point of view, the circulatory system rapid supply of oxygen is required by the blood due to rapid metabolism rate of the birds. Therefore, birds require an efficient circulatory system. Birds have a four-chambered heart that performs double circulation. This prevents the mixing of oxygenated and deoxygenated blood. Also, the birds contain a large amount of hemoglobin in their red blood cells, which helps in the quick aeration of the blood. So, the circulatory system is most important modification as according to the in specific way to concludes the most important role in the circulatory point of view. In birds, is the heart is a completely four chamber, that is this prevent mixing of oxygenated bloods into the, so the 3 to 4 characteristic features of the circulatory system of the birds is most important for the role to the flight adaptation. Dear friends, this is a circulatory system. It is a rapid metabolism, large oxygen supply to tissues. Avian heart is four chambered, that is two auricles and two ventricles. Large sized, powerful and efficient. Double circulation, oxygenated and deoxygenated blood remains separated. Hemoglobin content of the avian erythrocyte is very high, responsible from blood's quick and to the mechanism of oxygenation. So this is a heart double circulation takes place fast. Next is the excretory system. The excretory system of the birds, the most important function of the excretory system, the nitrogenous waste is converted into the less toxic organic compounds such as uric acid and urates. They have no urinary bladder. The urinary vestibule efficiently absorb water. So this is the most important features. The bird's excretory system is most modification according to the aerial adaptation. So this is the excretory system. Urinary vestibules are provided with a endless loop efficient water absorption. We also specifically model urinary bladder is absent. Semi-solid waste is immediately excreted out. That is a uric acid in the form of not liquids or urine, not in the form of the urine. Next is the brain and sense organ. Brain is highly developed in center for equilibrium, musculature, coordination, adapted coordination and instinct. Cerebrum or cerebellum are highly developed. Eye is remarkable for development adapted to see very small animal from great heights. Peculiar vision is due to a curious structure like pectin in the animal body to most important structure of the birds to vision are also added by the good vision point of view to as a aerial mode of life. That is reproductive system. In this also as a specific adaptation, that is in female birds, the ovary and oviduct is a one side, left side of the body alone. This reduces the weight of the body. बहुतेक सर्व प्राण्यांमध्ये ओव्हरी किंवा ओविडक्ट्स या पेअर मध्ये असतात, परंतु पक्ष्यांमध्ये only one pair of the ovary or oviducts are present only left side. The right side of the ovary is not present in the birds. According to the modification, the weight of the birds are less, so we have the easily to adapt the aerial or flight mode of adaptation. Dear friends, so this is a single ovary or oviducts in case of the birds. That is your formation of the eggs in this reproductive systems. Next is the endocrine system. Endocrine system is the most important to this animal body for use to the heterocylous cervical vertebrae offer great flexibility of the neck. Well developed endocrine system, glands such as thyroid, neck, pituitary, brain, islets of Langerhans, pancreas, adrenal, kidney, and endocrinal tissues are well represented. Song and coloration is controlled by homogeneous from gonads. Is controlled by hormones from the gonads. त्याच्या reproductive system मधल्या gonads specific hormones secrete करून त्याची endocrine system चे function हे maintain करत असतात. Dear friends, in this point of view, the many more different kinds of the anatomical as well as morphological the both kinds of the adaptation in the birds we will discuss in briefly. Dear friends, in this way of these three lectures of the unit number 6, ewes or birds are completed. Only the last chapter is remaining. The unit or chapter name 7 is the mammals. We already discussed in the next lecture. Dear friends, in this way अशा पद्धतीने आपलं 6वं युनिट संपलेलं आहे. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, फक्त आपलं आता शेवटचे युनिट नंबर 7 मॅमल्स हे फक्त आपलं बाकी आहे. ते आपण पुढच्या 2 किंवा 3 लेक्चर मध्ये ते आपलं कंप्लीट होईल. अशा पद्धतीने आपले 6 युनिट झालेले आहेत. हे 6 युनिटचे brief PDF notes as well as lectures we already uploaded our Excel July channel as well as YouTube channel. To observe these lectures and your write the briefs PDF notes in your notebooks. Dear friends, stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Thank you.